Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay in check on Monzo. So how do you pay in check on Monzo? Very simple. All right, so let's head over here. I would like you to know that creating a Monzo account is not for everyone. It's just for UK residents. So not all of us have the luxury of creating an account on Monzo, but we have the knowledge necessary for you to walk through all of the features on Monzo and to get you stable. All right, so now that's why we're creating this tutorial to help you, with your check payment process. So this is how you can, of course, pay in check. So here's how you can pay check into your personal joint account. For business accounts, follow these steps instead. All right, and then that's for business account, but then for personal account, follow these ones that I'm about to show you. So it says right now we only accept checks by post. So that's the only way, and we can't accept any checks at our offices. So if you want to pay in check, you have checks by post. And here's how you can send your check. So send by regular or track posts, recommended 1 to 2 weeks. So write your 8-digit account number and CG sort code on the back of your check in the top left corner. Please follow the process, all right? And then once you do that, tap manage from your home screen. So once you find tap manage from the home screen, you're going to find your account number and your 6-digit codes. So write it on the back of your check in the top left corner. Make sure the name on your check matches the name on your account. Very sure to do that. All right. And then once you do that, if you want to check how your name is correctly spelled, so it says head to your home tab and then tap on the profile icon. And then if you need, tap on the settings cog and then tap your name. And then you definitely find the name, so ensure that it's exactly the same. And then take a photo of the front and back of your check as a copy. Okay, so remember on your check, the way the check is, top left corner, write your 8-digit account number and then your 6-digit sort code. All right, then take a picture of it, the front and the back of your check, and keep it as a copy. And then pop your check in a stamped envelope. All right, that's the physical check. Pop your check in a stamped envelope. Once it's in a stamped envelope, post it to Monzo at Monzo.PO Box 7628 Bilston W714 4DG, and they will let you know once you've got your check, and it usually takes 3 to 6 working days from that point to get your money. So that's how you can do that by post. And then the next is send by free post. All right, 3 to 4 weeks. The same process, write your 8 digits and then make sure that the name matches. Take a photo of the front and back and then write free post Monzo only on the envelope and post it to us. No stamp needed. So the first one, the envelope needs to be stamped, but then on the envelope that you're popping your check into, just write free post Monzo, no stamp needed. And then you post it and you let them know once we get your check, and you see the money in your account in 3 to 4 weeks. That's about 10 working days to reach us, then 3 to 6 days for us to process it. Now, sometimes it might take longer for us to process your check because of the rules we need to follow as a regulated bank, and then we'll let you know if we need any more information from you. So this is the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, we'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.